Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Wow. Wow, so you've got the subwoofers down here.
Yeah. It's 3 SDR15s.
Okay.
I have a 2500 watt on each voice. Got a total of 7 if you count the one on the doors.
Who built this? This is pretty cool.
Me and my father built it.
Nice.
All the wiring's hid. There's no wiring anywhere that you can see. All the wires are behind the box.
So your amplifier's up there too. Okay. And there's no port.
No port. Each box has its own little individual chamber, no port.
So could you kind of show me with your hand, like, where's the location of the baffles roughly?
Something about like that.
Okay.
Just about.
So they're split up 3 ways.
Yeah, 3 ways.
Sweet.
Yeah.
What are the RMS on these subs?
I'm not sure right offhand.
It's okay.
It's about anywhere from 25 to mid 40s hertz.
Okay.
It does pretty good. It's pretty low.
Acoustics. Y'all did a really good job with the wire. What size alternator?
250.
250? Can I see that too? Nice.
I see it down in there.
It's way down there. I see it.
I haven't done the big 3 yet, but
It's okay.
I'm working on it.
Awesome. Get the other side. Some big rims.
Bagged in the rear.
I'm gonna look on this side again if that's okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Very unique to have the subwoofers at the bottom in a sealed enclosure. And how many watts would you say is in this total?
Oh man, I don't think those amps, they're kind of cheaper. I don't think they're a true 2500 watt amp.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't know, maybe 10K, something like that.
Yeah, 8 to 10,000 watts.
Yeah, something like that.
Sweet. And you don't ever have to worry about the seats hitting the subs either.
No, that's why we built it, so I can still recline my seats
Yeah.
and have a little bit of wiggle room.
Nice little bracing for the box here, the way it's mounted down.
Yeah. No, pennies are cheaper than washers.
It works.
Yeah, I thought that was a pretty cool.
It is, it works. All right. Okay. So could you tell me your name and like all the equipment real quick? Go for it.
So my name is Blayne Gaskins. My father was Wayne Gaskins. Me and him built this box probably 2.5 years ago. The whole goal of it was to do a budget setup and do everything. I'm not gonna say cheap, but on a budget. So we got 6 power acoustic amps, 2500 watt, and then a kicker in the middle on my doors. Nothing. I believe I have kickers in the doors as well as my tweeters, and to replace the stops, but nothing too crazy. But it hits pretty good. I have a 2500 watt on each voice cool. I haven't metered anything yet. Hopefully I can get it metered today.
What SCAR level are they?
They're the SDRs. I believe they're like 1200 watt, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay. Nice. And then the kicker 4-channel?
Yeah.
Awesome. What's in the doors?
Kickers.
Kickers,
Yeah,
okay.
kickers.
All right. And this is a sealed box, there's no port.
No port. No port.
All right.
There's a brace under this portion of the roof. All of this stuff is spray foam, so like there's a gap in here. All of that spray foam, sound deadened, same thing for the rear. But I've had an issue with this brace coming apart.
Okay.
I fixed it one time, and I think it's coming loose again. So we'll work on it. It's a work in progress, as it is always.
Yep, that's what it is.
Yeah.
Awesome. Another question for you is cubic size. Do you know roughly?
Not right offhand. Like I said, it's been like 3 years.
It has? Okay.
So I'm not really sure right offhand.
It's all good. Tuned for the lower end though. Bandwidth is pretty good for not having a port.
Yeah.
So yeah. What made y'all decide on going sealed versus ported?
My dad has always been big on sealed boxes.
Okay.
So my dad back in the day, he had 1215s in his Chevrolet truck. He had a single cab Chevrolet with a camper shell on it. He had 1215s in it, and his box was sealed. So it's just kind of, I guess preference.
Yeah.
But you see a lot of guys running port boxes, but I wanted to get a good range of like my lows, highs. You know, I didn't want to hit one specific hurt.
And that's what you got with this for sure.
Yeah, it hits everything. It hit up high, down low. It does pretty good.
How low are you playing, you think, if you were to like test the limits? How low have you tried?
I don't know. I know on the songs I'm listening to are probably like 25 hertz, 27 hertz, but as far as metering, I'm not really sure.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully I can get it metered today and see what it's.
Yeah, man.
But yeah, it does good. It does
The city's looking like a ghost town on a Sunday night. Raindrops on the windshield, there's a storm moving out. He's heading back from somewhere that he never should have been. And the thunder rolling. She's pacing by the telephone in her faded flannel, asking where they go. Rain is the weather.
Got one more that hits a little bit lower.
Okay.
Put in the work. Break a record. Break another one. Pacing by the telephone in her faded flannel, asking where they go. Rain is the weather.
Awesome. Really good lows, too.
Yeah, it does. It does really good.
You're having some flex problems with everything, just
Yeah,
kind of
yeah.
slapping and clapping. Good to see you.